When Governor Alex Otti said that we have not seen anything yet when it comes to the development of Abia State, his future plans for the state, that what we are seeing now is just peanuts, the governor was not joking. Yesterday, through his commissioner for information, the governor let us into his plan for the Umuahia Smart City project. It is going to be a banger. They have already made all the plans and now it is public. You see, from that Abia Tower to Ntiha, what the governor is planning to do there is going to be massive. 2,000 acres comprising of 19 communities. You see that bank road? The road is going to be expanded. It's going to be double lane. There's no longer going to be traffic along that bank road in Umuahia. And this project also comprises of housing estates in those 19 communities. The government wants to subsidize housing in Umuahia, not just subsidizing houses. They want to build structures that are of standard to change the face of Umuahia. They are going for a smart city. That is what they are working for. The capital of Abia State, they want to change it. That you come to Abia State and you will no longer recognize Abia State. And also that market at Isigate, the governor is moving it to Afara. They have already gotten the land. They have paid the due compensation to the owners of this land. And what he's trying to build there is the same thing like what he did in Ariaria Market. And you remember that the governor does not support street hawking in Abia State. So you want to make sure that every market in Abia State is standard. So that Isigate, the hawking and everything that is going on there will no longer continue because that market is going to Afara and they are raising structures. They are standard market structures that can hold a standard market in Umuahia. What the governor is targeting is a smart city and nothing less than that. So everything is being put into consideration. Then at Agri Boulevard, the government will be building 10 bus shelters to support transportation in Abia State. If you're following my channel, there was a time I told you that the governor had a meeting with the chairman of Kosharis and his team on how to invest in electric cars in Abia State, because the governor is looking for a way to support Abia State transportation. That agreement is also still there. It's not a forgotten issue. So these are ways that the governor is trying to make sure that transportation becomes easier, especially for workers in Abia State, so that they don't spend all their salaries in taking expensive public transports. So he's making sure that those working in the government house or outside the government house, those in the city of Umuahia, they are really going to enjoy what is going on there. So illegal parking, not obeying traffic rules will no longer be tolerated in Umuahia. The city is taking another phase. And when the government is done, trust me, you cannot recognize Umuahia. You know what is already going on in Aba. That is the same energy that Governor Alex Otti have moved down to Umuahia. And Umuahia is going to be nothing less than a smart city. And if you have not invested in Umuahia, I don't even know what you're waiting for. Because this project is going to be massive. And you know, Governor Alex Otti never said a thing and not do it in Abia State. He's not a politician that just say anything. Whatever word that is coming out from Governor Alex Otti, we hold it up to standard because he will do it. And for him to talk about this project means that his administration have also marked out the fund for it. The money is already down. That Afara land for the market, the owners have been duly compensated and structures will start coming up. Also, the governor said that there are 28 major road constructions going on right now in Abia State that have been handed over to the contractors, and the contractors are doing their best to make sure that these roads are delivered at the appropriate time that was given to them by the government. And also 35 direct labor projects going on in Abia State. That's like a total of 53 projects going on as I am speaking to you. And the government is not owing any of these contractors, those that are being handed by contractors. The ones for direct labor, the governor is not owing anybody. There is nothing that is coming in between these projects except the timeline that has been given. Can you see what is going on in Abia State? The massive transformation. The governor said that he is running a government of zero pothole. So that's why they are going into these major road constructions. Because one of the things that was affecting Abia State before was poor road network. That's why people were not coming to Abia State, they were not investing in Abia State. So he's making sure that Abia State becomes one of the best states in Nigeria when it comes to road construction, infrastructural development, general development. He's putting Abia State up there and he's doing a major work, 53 projects going on at the same time. And the government has not even invested in borrowing. That doesn't mean that his administration does not believe in borrowing. They will borrow when it's only absolutely necessary. That is what the governor said. So for now, they are serving Abia State with Abia State money, and it's showing. What he's doing in Abia State is showing for everyone to see. And there are some people from, some local governments saying that the governor have not come to their side. Imagine him holding 53 projects at the same time. That is to show you that he have everybody in plan. Governor Otti is not neglecting any part of Abia State. He's working in Abia South, he's working in Abia Central, he's working in Abia North. So it will definitely get to the turn of all the local governments in Abia State. I don't think there is any local government that Governor Otti will not enter in Abia State when it comes to development. So I know that he's working on these major cities, Aba and Umuahia. I know that the same way he's coming down to other cities. He's already doing something in Umuahia. Governor Otti is definitely going to get to every corner in Abia State. If you're from Abia State and you're a lover of Abia State and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscription button right now and you will never miss anything that is going on in Abia State.